Hey y'all, it's Kathy Bow. I got my new order here today, and this is a pre-order that before this new catalog goes live, demonstrators can order. And there's two different ways. One is if I had attended the local onstage, which is kind of like convention, but it was in Charlotte, North Carolina, and it just was not something I could do. So I didn't get to go. But if you attend the on stage, you get a pre-order that's just ridiculous. It's so cool. But if you didn't attend on stage and you are a demonstrator, several weeks later they offer a pre-order just for those folks, and that's what I got in on. And it's a little smaller, but it's okay. This is the new catalog. I cannot wait to get into this. I cannot show you any more than the front. But I did get this set across here. And I got this beautiful magnolia set. Notice how this is cut out. There's actually a die for that. All of that. Isn't that beautiful? And anyway, so I'm going to get to look at this. It's just gorgeous. I can't wait to get into it. Now this is video number 2 because the first one I did, I actually opened the box on video, but the video did not work out. So here we go again. Okay, so this is the Good Morning Magnolia, that set that I showed you on the front of the catalog right here. I have to kind of turn it because I don't want to bump my recording stuff that I've got. Okay, so we get 2 stamp sets. And there's going to be framelits to cut these things out. They're actually just called dies now. Let me see, Magnolia, here we go. These are made by Stampin' Up. They are not Sizzix anymore, but they're just as durable, just as wonderful as what we've had in the past. And Stampin' Up has taken note of the fact that the sticky tape that held the dies down was like crazy sticky, and you never want to pick it up this way. You always want to pull it away from your dies with the paper like this, especially when they are metal lines like that. But this is easier to get out of the pack than previous. This is that huge stamp right here, the big die. It's going to be beautiful. I cannot wait to create with this. Okay, so that was that set. Oh, and look at the sentiments. Thinking of you. Says, hello, thanks. Not only for what you do, but for being someone so special. Enjoy today. The journey of life is best shared with a friend. We'll get through this together. I love that. Next comes Free as a Bird. Now the dies that go with this are going to be very versatile because they're not shaped like any of the images. They are these, and they look stitched, and they have all the different sizes that they can nest in one another. And they've got this straight piece here, which is kind of like it's going to give it almost how you tear a ticket. I think that's how that one's going to work. And it says, we are the best, well, we're the best of friends. Hello, the world needs more of you. Thanks for being you. That's a weird sentiment. I don't know. Thanks for being you. I mean, okay, anyway, I don't understand it. Like, who else are you going to be? Thank you, and your friendship means the world to me. I love the little birds. Their little expressions are so sweet. It's a red rubber stamp, which is called a cling stamp. Now, let me show you the papers that go with that. As I said, I did a video, and I opened all of this earlier, but the video didn't turn out, so... And if you compare those birds with the stamps, you see they all look alike. Love it, love it, love it. It's the same type birds. Now, I did find out that the designers of this paper, they actually colored the birds with the Stampin' Up alcohol markers. So all of this blending is for real. Like, you can do this, and you can use the Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers or any other alcohol markers you might have. If you don't have any, I can get you started on your collection. This is very pretty. You get 2 sheets of each design, and that's the back of that one. The flowers and these little keys. That's kind of cute. Little feathers, little bird cages. And again, there's 2. I'm just picking up 2 at a time. This to me is beautiful, and the background is done with the alcohol markers. And there's this bird. And these, look at the background again. Isn't that just beautiful? And itty bitty birdie feet. Isn't that cute? Okay, so there's that. And now this set here is just, it's going to be my favorite. I mean, like, forever and ever and ever. I love it so much. And I'll show you again on the front cover here the different projects that they made with it. And you see these little blingy things. There's a ship's wheel and an anchor. I got those too. I haven't gotten the ribbon yet. Well, the twine. Isn't that fabulous? Gosh, I love it. I love it, love it. So that's this one. And I will show you the paper that goes with it. We've got the compass and the map. We've got this vintage, nostalgic, everything on this has to do with seafaring. And of course, there's 2 pages. I love the ropes. And this has almost a cotton ticking look to it. I think that's what it's called. And that's the back. Little coral. Little ships, little sailboats. Stripes. And again, it kind of looks like the old cotton. Love this. And all the lighthouses. I love lighthouses, y'all. And then this, isn't that beautiful? Now, the cool thing about Stampin' Up, when I see this, I'm like, is that Knight of Navy? Well, who knows? Well, we do, because on the back, you're going to see the name of the set, and it says these are the colors to use: balmy blue, basic black, mossy meadow. There it is, Knight of Navy, soft suede, whisper white. Those are the colors that will completely coordinate with this paper. Okay, and these are the dies. Love that. So if you notice, this lighthouse here is this one. The sailboat is this. The anchor is this. You are my true north. Let hope be your anchor through storms of life. Set sail in direction of your dreams. Thanks and congrats. The little thanks and congrats will fit there. I do a lot of little sentiments, and I love this this little punch here. I mean, the little die here. Okay, now this is the Memories and More pack. Inside are going to be a bunch of cards, and you can use those for card making or for tags. You can use them for scrapbooking. Our Memories and More scrapbooking is super simple, so easy to do. And here are the packs of cards. I'm going to go ahead and open these. If I can get it open. Come on now. I am actually recording from my sewing room today because I'm in the middle of a big job in my studio. So I brought my dog and pony show out here. I have a little sewing area. Okay, it's not little, y'all. I'll just tell the truth. It's not little. It's a good size sewing area. But I've never videoed out here before. So come on now, come on. I should have brought scissors. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay. So this just gives you an idea. Each card has a little something on the back. And we get 2 of each. Look at that. You, me, and the sea. Love that. Oh, goodness. Will I ever even use these? I might just sit there and look at them. This is cool because if you wanted to, we took a trip to Maine, and there's a lot of water pictures and lighthouses and things, and if you want to journal, it's kind of like I was waiting on this most perfect set to come in order to finish that scrapbook. Love that. There are people who know what all these things are called. I'm not one of them. Love it. Life is better when we're together. And then the little knots. Happy Father's Day. That's pretty cool. There's a lighthouse. Memories. Memories. Like the corners of my mind. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, y'all know I have to sing in every video almost. All right, I think this goes like that. Yes, that's pretty cool. Compass? I think that's a compass. I don't know. Oh, that matches the designer series paper. Any day with you is the best. Isn't that sweet? You made my day. Oops, what's on the back? Bada bing. And you might wonder, what's this about? Oh, goodness, you can do so much with that little thing. Y'all just watch my videos. I'm going to do some, I will probably do quite a few on this set. All right, we'll just kind of flip through this real quick. Oh, hold on. No, we won't. We're going to look at this. Oh, goodness. That's cool. Isn't that cool? Y'all, look at this. We got white on one side and kind of a distressed on the other. Goodness gracious. That's beautiful. Okay, love that. I was just going to flip through here, but this is getting too interesting. That's neat. Little ship's wheels, again, distressed and white, so however you want to use it. And you can use this side and come through with some brown ink or whatever color you want to do. Anchors away. World's Greatest Guy. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I might have to get a second pack of these. What is life but a grand adventure? Oh, look at this. Good grief, I love that. I just wish they'd given us a lot more of those. Okay, they did give us a good bit of goodies. Because I want, I don't want to use them up, but I want to use them. Let's go somewhere and do something. Love it. This is cool. Okay, we've got stickers. These are little, can you see? Little stickers here. Love it. That little corner thing I showed you earlier, you could put that in there. Another sheet of those. Oh my goodness. Look at this. These are big stickers. Oh, love it. Love it. Love it. There we go. Wow. I am so glad I took time to open that. Because now, of course, I need to do all of that in order to live a normal life. And these are the little anchors and the ship's wheel. Aren't they cute? And they're metal. Okay, so this is for my Paper Pumpkin customers. I'm going to do little cards for them and thank them for being subscribers. That'll be fun to color because it's orange, and I don't really do a whole lot of orange. This is foam adhesive strips. I needed more of these. This is just balmy blue cardstock that I thought I would use with that that new set. And this is, I guess you'd call it a blotter. It's just a grid, and here's a little kind of a measuring, oops, where are you? Little measuring thing along the bottom here. And you can put your centimeters or inches or whatever you use, and there's one across the top. I like that. So I don't know if I said it, but I got $140 worth for free because of my performance with Celebration. and my sales for the first quarter of the year was decent enough for me to get, you know, a substantial discount. So $140 of this was free. Then I have another credit of $40 that I can use on June the 4th. And I had another credit of $40 that I was able to use sooner. So I've got $180, $220 worth of free goodies. And y'all wonder why I love Stampin' Up. So this is going to be available. Everything here is going to be available on June the 4th as this new catalog begins. And if you are my customer and you have ordered in the past 6 months, you are already receiving one of these in the mail. If you're not my customer and you would like to be, you will get a free catalog with $50 order. Go to kathybo.stampinup.net. That's kathybo.stampinup.net and place your orders, and you can contact me through that site also, and just let me know what you need. Right now we've got, you can't use this catalog yet, not until June 3rd, but we have a clearance rack right now that is the bomb diggity. It's amazing, and you can still order through the Occasions catalog and the annual catalog that's live right now that will expire on June 3rd. So if you have any questions, you can reach me through my website, kathybo.stampinup.net, and I will put a link down here in the comments or description or wherever I can. All right, thanks so much. God bless, and take care. Thanks for your support. Toodles.